You know, we all have that one person we truly love, but then one day they decide to leave, and then you're left alone with nothing. Yeah. See, there was a time where I was truly in love, girl. You truly had my heart. Nothing could ever make you and me fall apart, but I was wrong. Now I'm sitting here writing this song to tell you how I really feel. All I can say is when you walked away, I just felt so lonely and lost in my own thoughts, thinking that you were the one, but man, I was truly mistaken. I really thought that you and me were gonna last. Man, I was truly stupid to believe that I could ever be happy. So I asked God, why does this always happen to me? Maybe I'm just not meant to love. Can I ever be loved is the question that I ask myself. Cause every time I'm happy, something gets in the way, then my happiness comes crashing down again. So what do I do and what do I say? So somebody help me today. So how am I supposed to just pretend that everything's okay when I know it is not? I really believe you were the one, but now I see it just a thought in my brain. Every day with you was beautiful, full of sunshine, but you walked away, and all I feel is rain coming down on me. Tell me how you can be happy with this other guy. Man, just knowing this tears me apart, cause you're holding his hand instead of mine. So I'm sitting here thinking to myself, did she really love me? Cause she moved on pretty quick. I gave her my all, now I'm left with nothing but a broken heart. I always loved you from the very start, but now you're gone. So I sit in my room thinking of all the memories we shared. Cause baby, yes, I truly cared about you. Yeah.